Now I need a construction plane. I can make it to the edge and choose the proper angle. It's going to be 90 degrees. I need to move it because I want it to be somewhere else. At first, I will scale it using the yellow dot, and then using the purple arrows, I'm going to move the construction plane. We were also going to make some additional holes in the back of the helmet. I'm going to copy this shape according to the sketch. Let's select the sketch to subtract from. Chamfer the edges. I'm going to reuse the plane from earlier to create some additional holes in the backside. Now I will copy the sketch of the hole to create a backlight for the helmet. Scale the sketch a bit, and then after extrusion, use the Replace Face tool, so the backlight smoothly picks up the face of my helmet. I need to make it shorter. I'm also using the sketch to make an extrusion, and then I'll cut using subtract. I want to fillet and chamfer the edges. Now I need to make another copy of the plane. Now we'll draw a sketch of a visor. I'm going to create a line that is going to be used for the base of my visor. Copy it using mirror and extend the arcs to create a closed sketch out of it. One more time. I'm going to use the sketch in the middle to mirror the sketch. Now I can extend the arc between those lines and offset it to create bumps to make this shape look more interesting. On this example, you can actually see how important it is to place all your designs on the coordinate system and mirror them, having a 0 point in the right place. Let's select the shape I want to extrude. Hide the unnecessary sketches and planes, and extrude. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. From the top view, I'm going to cut the helmet to make it look more triangular. Mirror it using the sketch in the middle. Extrude and then intersect. Make adjustments by placing the visor to the right place. Use groups to properly order the designs and sketches.